Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is part 9, I believe. I'm not too sure. I'll put it on the screen if I'm wrong which part it is. But today we got yet another spinner. It's a pretty cool one. Don't know the brand of this thing. It's really light. I think this may be aluminum or maybe titanium. I don't know. But this thing's really light. I've got no clue what material this is. This is by Ste Demon, S-T-E Demon. Go check out their stuff. It's a pretty cool spinner. I think this may be titanium, then anodized. I'm not sure, but yeah, this thing's a pretty sweet spinner. Definitely way lighter than all the other ones we've unboxed for this package. But yeah, I definitely dig it. Let me see if I can open it up and see what's inside of it. Nothing. But yeah, it's pretty cool. Maybe one video I'll just like unscrew these, open this up, see what's inside. But it's really light. I like the feel of it. Hopefully I'm screwing these back on correctly. Yep. It's so silent. Like, let me take out the other fidgets I got a couple of days ago. All right. So this was the first one that I unboxed. So this was the first one that I unboxed. It's pretty cool. It's pretty hard to spin. There we go. It's pretty cool. And then the second one was this one. Those are pretty cool. Then it was this guy, copper buttons, copper like insides, then stainless steel on the outside, I believe. But yeah, this thing's pretty good. So yeah, and then this one sounds the best out of all of these. So whoops, thank God I didn't hit anything. That's pretty cool. Sounds great. One sec. Yeah, I would say this is balanced. Yep, that is balanced. And yeah, this is the one that I just unboxed. This thing is so much lighter. I think this is titanium anodized. But yeah, it's really light to be any other material. And it's by far the quietest out of all of them. But yeah, that's that, I guess. I don't know what else to talk about spinners and stuff. I gotta get what's it called? I gotta get a bearing removal tool so I can like change these out for different bearings. I gotta get those different bearings, and yeah, should be cool once I get that tool, and we can try out different like bearings and stuff. I'll figure out how to like take these apart, check them out and stuff like that. So yeah. But yeah, this thing's like the lightest and stuff, and the quietest. It's so silent. Maybe I put the buttons on wrong. Let me check. Nope, same thing, same feel. But yeah. I'm gonna put these away. Yeah, this is by far the most lightest and the most quietest out of all of them. If I find out where you guys can get this, I will leave a link. This thing's great. So yeah, that'll be all for this video, guys. Make sure to check out our channel sponsors down below. You guys get an exclusive 10% off. You guys get an exclusive 10% off Fidgets. You guys get an exclusive 10% off. And yeah, check out the links down below. Make sure to like and subscribe, turn on the bell notifications, and see you guys in the next video.